kalatvlive. Kalatvlive machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Masiri kendo nyako mga juang bang bedo kanyo kod thuolo no mar nonro mar oboke kama ng'iyo oboke no romano mar Daily Nation kanyakla kod The Standard today ka wach maduong' kawuono ma oganda jo Kenya mbekwe kendo ng'iyo en wach mar mo ma bende kayo ngima oganda jo Kenya maliche miwuoro. Wachore ni sani kiwuok Kisii kibiro Kisumo nyaka ibed kod siling 800 700 kanyo ka dichop Kisumo. Joma dhi Migori ok ang'e ni sani to koro wuonyoru machalo nade. Wantie kod jatelo migosi James Omolo ma bende wapo mana nono kodonjo kaendi machimo yaore iru gi kanye kawuono mose oganda jo kanya na.
Erokamano Justus. Erokamano Nyakach kendo koro asechopo e boma ka mondo watim chenro mar loso chike ne jo Kisumu County kendo ago erokamano kuom rweko mirwaka oka mondo wambeki kawuono odiochieng' kawuono.
Ndalo osebedo mang'eny kendo wachiwo kod weche ma go piny Kenya koni koda kocha. In iyudo mo mayot?
Moto wachne tek. Aparo ni ung'eyo gima timore Middle East malo kucho. State of Hormuz jo Iran okelo vita jo America. Ema affect the entire globe. Ok en Kenya kende, en kamoro amora. Aparo ni jowabe nyaka understand ni gini ok en cause mar even the minister mar energy. En gima global and it's because of geopolitics matimore malo e wiye kucho.
And then mashime bendi biro ni sani koro East Africa Kenya masamoro beche ne omedo molo jomoko.
Mano naneno, I think kendo rais notemo matek nyoro ma wacho ni koro VAT oduoko piny.
Yes.
And I think most of the recommendations ma pod sirikal mamalo nigo dhi duoko mo piny further.
Actually by yesterday aparo no se super petrol ne giseduoko up to 9. Diesel ema no duok kendo to 10 from gima no se landi no ero. Kata kamano mheshimiwa jopiny pod ywaka ko producer mara mondo mi omanyinwa tipo mane nyiso jopiny ma Kisumo kane wacho ni weche mag siasa kik donjre e weche go eko mag modhi. Jomoko wacho ni koro go siasa ahinya kod weche gik mag modhi. Elizabeth Anditi achiel kachiel inyalo nyisowa ni to jopiny ne wacho nang'o boma ma Kisumo. Mheshimiwa nyalo winjo kendo nyalo neno mondo miwa pachi weche jo Kisumo.
Nyinge ga gin Michael Okeolwe. Ka wan mawuoyo kaen fuelo medna kende nyaka wan bende fuelo medore no. To nyaka wakawe ni en ga gima timore ga e Kenya ka. Nitie diere moko ma be obiro chako wa kuma entiere no ochako olorang'owa malo ok onego wakawe kaka gimoro malich ahinya. Makoro wadwa o ndere ma jo Kenya dwago ang'o wadwago e koko. Kanyo wandai onge wandai tiyo ma gimo nyalo timo. Onge gima diang'o time ka fuel sani onge mabire Kenya kayo maber. Chuna choni nyaka wadhi gi kaka Kenya dhi.
An Josuotieno Lang'o. To koro ka sani gini medore ere kaka oganda dhi konyore nikech sani kidhi wuotho kata matatu manyalo wuotho ka kata tuk ma koro nyalo dhi mbele ka riembo koni gidhi keto nengo dhi bedo malo koro wuoth ok dhi timore maber ji biro bero ka ywa koni to no wakwa sirikal mar Kenya ni mondo ng'i e through sector mar wandai ni mondo ging'i kaka ginyalo konyo mondo gik moko bede yo makare wan kamane kayo kwayo makwayo kendo akwayo jo Kenya ni mondo bed kod horruok mondo sirikal mar Kenya ong'i gino into deep.
Ani luongo ne Otieno. Akwayo the president ne ywak jopiny mondo giwinji nikech jopiny kok wach ni chopo negi to hinyruok ka donjo to jopiny madhi winjo malit. Tachaka akwayo jotendo mamoko ni kata obedo ni ma nyalo betie to kik warwak siasa e gima nyalo affect japiny mamiyo japiny nyalo dhi hinyore ka leader moro nyalo mana pinpoint jatelo moro kowacho ni mane gima ok onego bed kama. Gimomiyo wacho mano nyaka wachi nikech kaluwore gi wach mafuta mosebedo ka nitie mafuta ni government mosebetie mokalo adira makende wasebedo gi problem wach mar mafuta to wasebedo gi ting' mapek ma jo Kenya bedo godo to wasebedo ka en mana ni chopo mana ne ng'ane nyaka riembi kata ng'ane ema loko ohala kama.
Mheshimiwa mago duond ogandau kendo jo Kisumo mabende naneno kama ok kuom gi lony go. Wacho ni weche siasa kikete weche gi mag modhi. Producer ikna item number 4 bang' mano kama ne migosi Rigathi Gachagua kod kweth makwedo piny owacho be wacho ni gichalo bago ng'anyo. Mapiyo on that, what is your take?
My take is ingeni fuel noseidho nyaka 200 and something vele kuchocho to be no bedo politicize gima timore Kenya sani United Opposition maonge candidate gin gimanyo manya anything maginyalo yiere mondo keto sirikal tesre.
In fact wacho ni gionge candidate
gipagni in ng'ama giketo en Rigathi koso en ng'awa Kalonzo. Gionge go.
Lawfully Rigathi Gachagua may not buy.
Yeah, koro pok giwacho kata ng'ama gidhi gini, gidiketo against the president.
Fine.
Mabe oingo gi nyadimiya.
Pacho piny on fuel?
Pacho piny, aneno ka jopiny be understand ni gini timore, to en gima nyalo bedo handled, and so far kaka CS and the president say handle gini so far is so good. And I'm feeling ni pod odhi down, nikech nitie fuel levy mabe gin go kanyo ma sirikal kawo osuru kuom every liter, mago gidhi ng'iyo. Giseng'iyo VAT ma giduoko piny. So I think they are working on it, despite the fact ni gini timore globally as Kenyan citizens. Aparo ni kaka sirikal ose handle so far so good.
Okay.
Again, another the piny further.
Mheshimiwa, some people are also thinking ni wadhi endara. Winjane pach Rigathi Gachagua kod kweth mare masa moro ganda moko paro ni it is the right time mondo ne giwuog gidhi endara. Kata kamano before ne gidhi endara to jatend piny owacho nose golo some back. Achiel kachiel winj kaka migosi Rigathi kod kweth mare no wuoyo.
We wish to draw the attention of Kenyans to one of the greatest fuel scandals in the history of independent Kenya. We have deliberately taken time to look into the oil scandal that has hit Kenya in the hope that the government of President William Ruto would be kind to the people of Kenya and save them from further agony. Little was it forgotten to us that Kenyans are on their own, and the entire energy value chain is completely a criminal enterprise under William Ruto. We wish to state as follows. On Thursday, the 2nd of April 2026, Kenyans were treated to dramatic arrests of former PA State Department of Petroleum, Mr. Mohammed Liban, Mr. Daniel Kipto, former DG EPRA, and Mr. Joe Sang, former MD Kenya Pipeline Corporation. On 4th April 2026, a public statement made by William Ruto meant to hoodwink and fool the people of Kenya. He argued that oil cartels had been crushed to a halt. Further, he strongly stated as follows: that the international oil companies, IOCs, had not declared their inability to perform their obligations under contract. Yet we know that there was official communication requesting a contract review and price adjustment following the Middle East crisis.
Mheshimiwa, winjo ka team ne bende kwedo piny owacho bende golo kokgi. I don't know, is it today maginene ni wach fuel ni bentie koso?
Jogi kaka advantage, mana kaka wacho, kaka advantage of any situation in Kenya mondo gi cause havoc. But I think ni jogi ok nya mobilize even 10% of Kenyans to vote on the streets. Magi are losers. Rigathi no se ng'anyo kanyo. Isenene. Ng'anene Wamalwa. Nyalo mobilize lawyer mane madhi.
Oruba no se ng'anyo kende.
Oruba ng'anyo kende. Parliament. She lost her seat just because of this stupidity. But ing'eyo gimenya gitem ne mogondo gi ngarre, but onjelo ne oingo gi mabor. Oingo gi madimiya is ahead of them. Ineno ko jogi wuoyo to dakika achiel to seluaro VAT to kuma ne nitie 16 odhi 8 pod odhi dhi piny. Ema ng'isi niya, the guy is in charge. Onjelo jagot ni is in charge, ma gima crisis modhi bedo to onge. Jogi leko wewe pod gileki to sabiro ma gibodhi dala.
Mheshimiwa, migosi William Ruto chako bedo maber karam.
Aparo ni sama donje broad based. Just as I want to be honest.
You sanitized him.
Okay, sanitize. What he showed us kako tiyo, especially gwenge wa Magluo Nyanza and beyond. Bwana no go teach. And I think even Baba
is the same Ruto who was a bad person.
Yes, but he has proved otherwise.
He got born again.
Not born again, but you know we judge people from what they do, and what he has done excellently. Anzini samwa weni. Ruto keto projects every corner of these Nyanza marwani. Mane ok tim renda loja. Kada ndaro manome wa gimoro matin gi uru. Ang'o mane nitie? Tingni mage mane ringo ka. Sani nan moro ni nyoro. Tingni nitiere roundabout Chemelil. Tich tiere ma to ki en everywhere. Kidhi Siaya, Paya, Gero, kidhi Umabei, no, Migori. And this has never happened in Kenya for a long time in Nyanza. This is the first time we are seeing. And I think ng'ato nyaka wajudge mana gi timne. Katimne ber sawa, katimne rach, we don't. And that is how Luo are.
And your brother,
they are very honest.
Your brother Pio and I is seated in the office while scandal of what?
Not scandal. Gimati moresa nini okay no scandal. I think ne and I know say the National Assembly ma wacho ni en gigo gima notimore out to G no ne okay na where. Kendo I think the parliamentarians no winjo gimowacho, and facts were there. No pedho gi kaya jama jite olal. So everything is in control. Is in control of that docket.
Chik wacho nang'o kapo ni nitiere chich kod migao mibete?
En ne gwetao. To opiyo gi kaka notimore ka en is out. Nitiere players man tiere kanyo. Apart from CS, nitiere jok manie pipeline and other sectors matimo the same energy thing.
The three steps aside.
Yeah,
why can't they follow suit?
No. Yeah, unless no ng'eyo. Ko ng'eyo to no bela honorable to the oko. Because nitie gik manya timore ng'eyi kaka jatelo. But kisewacho ni bana James Emma notimo gini surely. And the media be no seneno culprits. And everyone else knows that no culprits were involved. They are involved up also.
We started it on a high note, Mheshimiwa Jema. Sorry for that. What happened in Nyakach? Nyakach is what Nima Southwest Nyakach?
West.
West Nyakach. Sorry.
There is a big confusion.
Southwest. Southwest is God.
Gadolima.
And you are in
West. Yeah, most people confuse.
Southeast is Mheshimiwa
Lumumba.
Lumumba or
Yeah.
Good. West Nyakach. Can you donjo iga mokwongo? Kane pok joko timo ni gicha miwuok.
Don't timo na gicha.
Ang'o mane ni e chunyi? In mana wuod wegi mabed nobet ne timo mana tijege kane pok idonjo e siasa. Mokwongo pimno ani sigandi mar siasa. Who brought you to politics?
Siasa nadonjo by just a mere factor ni nadwa kelo change e gweng'wa. Already natimo gik moko nati e NGO world and I'd built a school. So I was changing so many lives of the young ones.
You're touching them.
Yes. I think from college at Tio Martin Stedman Group, then I were, then I chako timo Ginodala full time. I resigned Stedman, kana na researcher koro achako timo full time. Then harakati makoro constitution manyen chakore. 2010 wakalo constitution.
Okay.
Then by 2013 and then 2012 and then only there's a new order mabiro and I can be a member of parliament at the local level, not at the national. And then I made that decision on my own. Yeah, ni Guinea is a member of parliament in the smaller sector. Monya lo deal giweche magpi yore hospital ango. Then I said I can help our people.
TJ MCA ginango.
And mana legislation, representation and oversight. One, ing'iyo ni to pesa ma obed appropriated betio maber, man oversight. Then ing'iyo ni represent jo in edwond jopiny ji te 16,000 mago kura West Nyakach, mondo go someone down there.
Kiche ma japiny tie kod midhiero to kichope. How does it feel to them? Number one, it's not your job. For example.
Yeah, but in our culture, I think it's just natural as a leader to go and...
Do they understand it's not your duty?
I think Kakwabero brought up in our culture, they don't understand it is not your duty. And also, one obligation.
Number one.
An obligation, makuro kao.
The fact ni Mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Kange Arambe.
Yes.
I
must be there.
He said, you must be there.
Yes.
But you know, it's not mandatory.
It is not. But you know, in the cultural setup, Mawantieri, Kaka Wabedo brought up Katakwa Tindo, yes, Lia Lingeni is a mass, Nyakende, Kakajatelo, Nyaki contribute. Yes, so every weekend, Nyangeni and Kodigabor. So I have to buy a kama.
So you have them as many as you say.
Yeah, in a setup, Kaka ward, you must have like a 5, 8, 6. Every weekend.
Coordinators?
Yes, I have the office running. Kataonge, Samani Kisumu officer is running. So everyone who has a problem, and the officer, the office manager is there. Manotimore all across all the wards, especially in our setup. And it's so natural. One way you feel bad about it, natural, and that's how our people are.
Part of Nyakach, mostly your ward TP, mostly below come more conical culture. Igani, Samoro, Biro Manganya, Nyakach.
No, Biro Manganya. No, Biro Manganya Kabisa.
Oh, and Manyo Kabira ground.
Yeah, because this time round, what happened, again in Nogo Dike culture, news, Karachuanyo, Nyakwere Nyakamwalo, Kide Mwalo Sodo, Donoko Choponam, Koro once Pino Chaco, Pio. Omedo inyowa zaidi nikech wan ng'eni pok noko ikoni because national government through NOS nochako gi kocha but they were to shift ka gitieko kocha koro kocha be pok gitieko then pio donjo koro jowa no inyore kabisa but so far koro to fuongo jowa dok back to their but livelihoods have been affected. All the crops manini the Sondu Miriu nyaka chop nam all of them are gone. The houses along the river bank all the way to down to Nyadina been affected. Thousands of homes have been affected in this in Manyoroni. Talking you can Koth Maka. And Koth Maka Kalam. koth ma odaro wa sango mwalo gi Nyakwere is not ours. Ogoyo malo koko kawuon to kiny ochopo mwalo ka.
Ojemo, for how long will you be talking about this? Usepango ni wati kwa ni kana?
Samane rais obiro kae, thank God ni no biro at the right time. Samane gini timore. I think our governor no engage on the same in the leaders meeting mane wan go State House, and one of the things mane rais omiyowa sinani no dikete sinani en ni daik manye go karachuonyo idhi endelea go nyaka chop nam, then migo ka korwa koni Nyakach idhi chak Nyakwere nyaka all the way to Nyadina. That's the only lasting solution. Gimano timbula dang ko tim river son to miriu both sides, then the height kata 2 meters kendo romo mondo pi kik pukre the other side. That is the only solution. That's the only permanent. And akwa jowani ka chieng moro chopo ni goyo daik kik waywago mane dhom miriu. Jo jaricho no temo ywagolo ma koro gineno gimotimore, but they allowed it to go on anyway. But kata jo wabe ka ibiro chake to gidwani en gimo there all through Nyakana. Then we shall be safe.
Iparo ni ma en budget manyalo dhi gaman?
And current budget mar national, but I think the emergency funding, I don't know the funding coming from, but Ministry of Interior, and I want to thank Omolo for doing that, because no problem ni Chon kapo kata kotho biro makoro no chako gi Karachonyo side, and I think I met him over the same or greeny. Once we have they have completed the other side, then they come to Nyakach side, and that is it. Okay. And I think on this all of us are in agreement. The solution.
Ubaguzi.
Monotime both sides.
Okay.
You cannot bank one side of the river and expect good things to happen there.
And you're telling us reasons why you need Bedo MCA are the first time.
Yes.
You send no car reasons go say Chief Maramunade.
You know, I don't know.
You have been a lazy lord.
No, not lazy. You know, program mar Timosital in all our 8 sub-locations.
Sub-locations.
And sub-locations are board.
Okay.
So far, 7 now. I don't know. From 2013, Agero Sangoro.
Sangoro dispensary.
Yes, Agero Nyadina. Agero Sanetiko Kanwachma is almost within my yawe. Osegere Nyakacho, everything. Okay. Within my yawe, Nyadina Bay, Osegercho, everything.
How do you get the funds?
But I'm the budget guy at the assembly. On behalf of my people, I appropriate funds to these projects. And our priority was Ngato kick worth more than 5 kilometers. And just as before I became a member of parliament, ne jowa the Rakwar ingene the other side of Mobile Bay. Correct. And it's 10 kilometers away. So you have to get a pen or either mtoka nyaka Rakwar digiduo ko pesa mang'eny. Kore momi onogero Sangoro. Sangoro is in Nyakwere.
Makata minima do kwanyo relwa kilo.
Yeah. So sani koro gen manakanyo kata ki chanjo jiji manakanyo kata mama na manyola di mana Sangoro. So what I want to achieve ni ngato ngamani apondo kasai. Apondo kasai no achako this financial year. What take next financial year. They bedo gi dispensary gi. Gimbe ne gi kodingo to moko na idho kot nyaka ndengo panga. Very far. Yeah, korgi Trevor. Ngato wuo makal korgi Trevor madhi nyaka Boya. Ndengo panga dispensary, which is very far from them. But they are in the same location. So now I say, Chief, let us have our own down here in this sub-location Mulunguna Pondo. Then Jomalo, Tidre Malo, Jomalo, Tidre Penica. And again, ingene just as Joagi Gin Mary. Okay. Mama na ndingo panga.
You intermarry?
We intermarry at that local sub-location level. You can imagine. Koro yudo ka mama na nyar ndingo panga to biro tedo koguta. Koro jo apondo gi ithiedho gi jo koguta mamere gi oche gi. Koro mama maduong koyelo kata bamne to orbe ubete. Kayo
to. Ore masa mocho senda.
Wacha mocho senda. So okay. What are you beda garo thiedho.
Everybody should have their facility.
That is better. But as long as near 5 kilometers apart, that is okay by law.
Which maximum see the ECDs?
ECDs was a demo. No.
At your era?
One in Karwa, before devolution, there was SBNN. It was a non-governmental organization. Manotimo all the 28. But Negitimo semi-permanent, Magitimo Babati, Tobedo Nini Maber, and that is it. So as a county, Korotimo permanent ones. But the recent one, Natimo Camarone Mbugura primary. Very nice ECD center. Sanitimo Sangoro in this financial year. Noatimo Mbugo Mwatieko, my predecessor, Notimo Rachier. So we are going. We have 28 schools. We have not achieved much in terms of even half of them poorly. Okay. So Kanyo as a county government, what is slow? Yeah, because we have to do the 28.
Who is the rock there? Mami Utikmatek.
I think en mana lack of resources. No. En mana lack of resources. Mondo prioritize then jogweng bonge mana ni devolution no biro ne wach ndara, wach pi, wach hospital, wach ECD, kagi wach public participation, ngura. And again as a MCA, and ingeni gigo nyaka kelna from the public participation matimo kodingo. Kore ka ng'iyo ta prioritize ni ECD gi kelto achiel, wa mi mano pesa. Ndara magidwara pa. Kodi gini kanyo pesa te vietara.
Ang'o momiyo ineno ka jopiny ohero ni weche ne mag apayini ng'ine gi?
Again, devolution no biro ka piny odinore. Just as I want to tell you ni ntiere sama nadonje County Assembly 2013, ntie skunde wa mane ok nyal dhi kata gi gari. Abanda primary, Lwasi, there was nothing, not even bad. There was nothing to access the school. School kaka Lwasi andingo. Ne kada eyo ne pok ochopi.
Lwasi are the neighbors to the
Rachwanyo malo kuchocho we got.
I thought they are neighboring the Kalenjins. Is that part of
No, they are neighboring Jokabondo.
Oh, the part of Nyakach man neighbor the Kalenjins. I don't know the
Mano Nyabondo.
Oh,
Magojo kuguta gi joka janga modake do sondu kucho. Ngene magene Kalenjins. One neighbor Jokabondo. Koro kamoro na ndingo Lwasi no. Kata eyo newe mana peng njogo kamoro ni njogo ne onge gine sani wabaro yo modhi kanyo modhi nyaka ka odino mwachopo odino makori neno pika modino so mago na nyaka watim nyaka no yaw gweng so gweng no dino re kabisa kamoro ka sango buru no atero ballot paper gitie waka onge ndara mbi sango buru in 2013 but sani there is a road and we are just maintaining because now you're almost 29 in my first assembly. Sani gimatimo and repairing all the roads manaya out
in
there.
your second assembly now.
In my second time.
Yes.
I'm repairing all of them. And I've done almost 3/4. I'm almost done.
Job well done.
Yeah, but that's
why are you going back?
I'm going back
to
finish. No. It will never be the same again. Resources are never enough. We still want to do more.
What do you want to do?
We want to add more. Even this level 4 hospitals, maybe we must have them. We must have the good roads. We have 1 giga unlimited, and that's why election bureau every circle.
Okay.
They give us a room election.
Why are you the only one?
Because I understand devolution. That one for true. I understand what it is, and I understand what it takes to get the services to our people.
Ojemo, what do you cow kinto?
Ok nango niti ingeyo Joes Nyakach nyote mo 5 years moko 17 to 22. I'm telling you.
He was there.
My predecessor.
I don't know.
Yes, he was there. And I'm telling you nitire locations are who never saw any service, even a single appropriation for 5 years. But that is how people. So Guinean jado bedo ngama every location diroma. Kaka hospital they going to spread in all the locations.
We cut across.
Yeah, a location at least nige 1 magero.
Ngima Jolupo chalna de tienam kanyo.
Okbera enya. I think Jolupo have challenges. Yenam has been overstretched in terms of Lupo. Togi gears magitio they have harassment from the Kenya Marine. So it has not been easy with them. Anyone Jomadake along the lake in Fisher Fox. It has not been good for them, and I think and give a very big challenge. Though it is their livelihood. It has been overfished. Manoto is everywhere.
I think there's a time,
unlike Kakanenchon.
There's a time when Walonje Miga Moro during cruise. They were doing some projects so they Nambijo to fish. We could not get fish very easily.
I'm going to take the whole night in the lake and for Mokinyi. Yeah, it's very sad, but survive.
And that's why rice bed expensive.
Yeah. Tingeni koro unjo no the modern way of doing it, and I think imati modern donga and Siasa. You see the caging thing. One job go embrace that kind of apparently and extensive in terms of capital
and investment.
And investment is huge.
Project
a lot of muscle. Yes. So Mano is a big challenge, but we should really modernize now how they do it. Put what tradition of Kakana query what
when people are following you KDLL,
yeah,
it's because they don't have. But when I have, I want la wigingwech kati of the camera, Jimanga gone sim. That has reminded me of a situation kana biro going to minimum kokani IP Pio Chupinguti.
Yeah, give Nyapos.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That name was off my mind. And Giko Nanigi who sling a chill, sling a rail. And I did them a story, by the way.
I saw that documentary.
What? When are we coming out of this?
I think
I sympathize with this man.
Yeah, sure. I think about empowering them and giving alternative livelihood better than what they are doing. But now that's the last resort. Yes, that's the last resort. Yeah, because they don't have any other way out, and that's how. Exactly. They survive. They have to survive. They are then when watch Maka. Yen moko matiro no malbeti nde wadi la pilate mo atiko ko guta forest bungeonge o atiko te koro they only survive on those kete mondo gi choki aso gi lego. It is pathetic. So alternative livelihood would be the best, and I think that one is a government policy mo ngi beni.
And you know kata health wise be in your
yeah, because ngene chwe ni kacha ngo it's terrible, I tell you.
And I'm told there's something
even pneumonia because of the cold.
Something like that.
Yeah. So it's not a healthy way of making a living.
Okay.
Yes.
No wonder kagiro moko duto giro wewe.
Yeah, but what dignity, man. That's normal life.
Correct.
You know, there's a problem even in the city.
What's wrong?
These young men, because of free education, was produced so much energetic boys more the school, so they don't have where to be placed. It's a big phenomenon in this country. Watch every year Qatar universities go almost 150,000 graduates. But you see the opportunities available is even
limited.
Very limited. So you wonder where they end up. That's why you see this chaos town kai. These young boys need to be addressed. We need to have a solution to our young men as soon as possible. Otherwise, one the political class, we will be overwhelmed. They will come for us. So this has happened for a period. Manokil free primary education, the transition mamas to secondary, jogi. There we have produced them, but we have not created. We have not created Lwasi absorption. Look at the county government of Kisumu now. We are only recruiting the ECDC teachers, the VTC instructors. Other sectors, health, we have frozen everything. Because they are also overstretched in terms of wage bill.
Okay. So
there must be a formula. Young people.
You guys sat on a security meeting, I know that you were there.
Yeah, I was there, and this came out very clear.
Yeah. What are you going to
Waniso governor ni gimoro kaka PMC manje waketo majia uchiel moko utiyo gi contractor modhi loso ndara, odhi loso pi, we have to return it. Then gikmoko kaka road maintenance team, every ward must have a clear policy ni nyithinda di matiyo gine to giyudo gimoro every month to reduce that pressure down, because when the governor, we have the power, we have the money. Let us put these programs jowa matindo ginyalo yudo kaka giyudo. Then this thing will reduce. But gini koko bedo watched, and in that meeting it was a very serious meeting. We had the policy makers of this county, so we have to see ni nyithindo wa young men. In my ward kawa engage at 50. You already say reduce that number, because of ginyarito forever. You have to get somewhere to have a feeling of training. That's why everything is becoming chaotic.
Is killing them the solution?
Killing? No.
Killing them, people maiming and killing them?
No. Getting them, desperate. We need to create opportunities for them. It's not about killing them. Why do we kill our population? We have to, as a government, we have to create jobs. Win very fast by creating spaces for that. Why did we kill PMC? Like Wapinyo governor, why did the executive kill PMC's money? Projects and go par in my ward. I'll take a day per 30 already Nikanyo. Mene and the youth and the Jomadong. Why did we kill the road maintenance team? RMS. Why? We just need to return these things back in all of the wards, 35 of them. Then the Udokawa create some opportunities.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think Nimano is okay. We're going to result after the meeting. Manu Bedogo, Jumamoa, Chapo, and then Nano Kaju Kubeni, Kotendo Bila, County Commission, and Makisumu. Samoro Ganda Paroni, Tendo Bila Podo Kotimamoro.
Yeah, they are aware. I think our ratio of police and the population is a bit low in Kenya. And they've tried their bit, but I think they have not been ruthless also. And then give instruction from above. What we found out and
how to handle this.
Yeah, jogi kose maki to simu amalo golo James Ochieng Omolo. They don't have any way. So those are the interference we don't want. Criminals the force marlow take course. That is it. To kwa wewe ni koro James Ochieng kaka MC go simu igolo ngane yak ngama chelo go simu MP igolo ngane. No, we won't help the situation. Let ngamo yudi kata incident manyo timore Java. Ko yudi culprits, let the force of the law take course. Man okay. That's the only way to weed this nini.
But you guys don't want your name to be dragged into it.
Nade?
Why she was new malwetu ni igino kudwa winjo wachna.
No, don't culprits say yudi. Koro don't any more the watch. Nama no worry. So ko ayo ni James Ochieng Omolo no worry. That's it. I'm a culprit. So let them talk. Let them be integrated because we have the DCI.
I'm going to politicize Guinea.
Ngama politicize to onge. I think ni Joama.
Niyo one targeted. Ngani makoro gidwaro.
Donga ngisi manaka kwa chako ni Joama everybody the other side. Joa kiaba lita ko. Gir gimora mora kata bana tonde nyanya onge wana inji bakila.
They have said
they are littering nothing.
But they are coming to on 3rd of May.
We have a democratic space. Can you do a there then come? Your mother there, you don't make combat. Your Sonia, it's not about violence.
Are you guys is the government planning to fight them all?
Not really, but Kajo feel near Kunjo Gade. You have your address, Pap. No, it's okay. We are in a democracy, so let them do their thing. Give me a man, they go, can I give me a luge? I'm going to get a TV. What do you? Then kwa biro leta ground upo neno masi
watu yenwa de
watu auto unjo kameme unapoki yako kala uto ndiuru ndo third force unalo timo but watu kwa de tuchimo wanege wale leta ground ka ibro neno the real people koro wona ngo agi gini ibro geja ku koro ibro neno ni chimo wanege leta ground sumuka ibro neno crowd and massive more every corner of this country.
Ojemo kwe okbera nye gwiny ichimi wacho mamoko gi Nyakach samoro jichiu kod ui makoni kod kocha Lwasi mar siasa be samoro utedo molo kaka jomoko tede un mon gi pesa molo jomoko koso
nade.
A good example, when you go to Seme, there's nothing like people campaigning on top of the cars and dishing money like hell.
Okay.
You're showing off.
I get the culture mar gonyani eto no chakore choto koro ji upogore gocho Nyakach. I think our boys, like my brothers and sisters, Matemo Guinea, Masul Magen, they are overdoing it anyway, but that is part of the Siasa. If you don't do it, you don't win. So they have to, yes, and I agree with them, they have to. In Seme, what has happened, culture money Professor Ketu, all that time.
Do you also got I think I saw by MP?
Yes, so Nikal inherited the same, and in fact, I've been to funeral in Seme. It's not chaotic. Yes, to Kuru Kisumu East to Kuru Dwai Kowate.
No.
Kisumu East, Okni, no. In fact, massive harassment, Kisumu East.
No, I went to
Kisumu East, Matanga, Katawantino Tamadhi, Matanga. Now do you eat or you were not Kade?
Me, I went.
Just because of reason, because they
blocked Rosa.
Look at that.
One more coin.
Yes. Chingmaro they get on the Boduma Nyakach, can a chaos in Nyakach Marjo Lango. Where
your phones were stolen?
Yes. Lost this phone. Jogonaka MP Manedi.
Plus, who's that?
Giharas MP, Gidonyo Kumemsi, Mao Conde Manya Lendabi, Magi Mayo Simu. I'm gonna know a bedesi. Akitosimu Bana, it's chaotic. It will need to be addressed, especially Kisumu.
Your friend also lost his phone there, southeast.
Mane, no.
Nani? I was with him.
Okay.
Maybe on another day.
Yeah.
Fujo.
And just central Kisumu, you lose Papu, Kumancho are the Guinemar Party.
Current MP or the
MCA Central Kisumu. We don't know Honorable Koyo. Give my everything. I nominated more Nyakach, Honorable Lando. Give my bag, give my everything. What am I going to do? Then Honorable Ma Chemelil of Daddy. gitamo ni okidwok window malo kendo nyaka miwa pesa kokidwoko window malo. But it was chaotic. You have to part with money. That's what we are seeing. This thing is escalating, and it's escalating at a very good pace. It need to be addressed. Otherwise, kata campaign more than the bed very much chaotic, especially for leaders.
But are you ready for it?
We are ready. You have to be ready.
You as a gem.
Yeah, you have to be ready. But campaign is not a joke. And as a campaign today for the Circles magazine. So this is the 4th one I'm going. So I've gone to 6 elections. I'm going to the 7th one. Kajasa Yenangima next year. So I know how to maneuver and go. Yeah.
Yot mukale, ano nepek.
Yot makale.
Niyo japeni sa modo adwani.
Wangisi justas. Watch MCA ni. Yomoko paro ni kaginoko kanyo ginyambiro bedo MCA, and it is a good life.
A walk in the
path. Walk in the path. I'm telling you what an MCA goes through. If you are given, if you are tingo badi kata chung no nyawa chani bana jo chung. TMC moro makwale njo wacho ni bwana vijana biutao gini oinga aweyo okachakacho. And that is the truth. And money, it comes with the responsibility. And once you are in it, nyakitim bibe kuri nanoni, I have to do this duty, whether mbaya or nini. So it's not that easy.
Some people think you guys are very rich.
We are not rich. And if anyone think need dodge politics, even MP or MCA, that is in heaven to declare. No. I'm telling you. No. I've been there for quite a good years, and I know. It is not about. Oh, I don't regret. The happiness we get in this job is the lives we are changing down there. When I see people drinking clean water in my ward, I'm fulfilled. It's not about money. If it were about money, every one of us would have resigned the same day they were elected. I'm telling you. If it's about money.
Because I think you guys spend more than you earn.
Yes, and you have to pay fee for another person's kid. Yours, Nidala. Look at that. That is the heaviest responsibility you can have as a person. Marry Nidala, you pay 5,000 for an electorate movie road, so it is a responsibility, and you have to do it.
In a one word.
Yes, and you have to do it. Failure to which, okay. So that is it. Yeah.
And now, coming up to your party issues, ODM, are you a member of ODM?
Yeah, I've been a member of ODM all through. In fact, I'm one good weekend I must have to ticket the day. County Assembly.
You watch when ODM is rotting.
Who's telling that?
From the
No. But this party is massive. I'm telling you. Wait for the election, maybe don't. This party is massive. Mangama underestimated.
What is massive in ODM?
The numbers. We have the muscle. The strongest party in this country is not UAD, it's ODM. Party which has structures up to the grassroots in all the countries, in all the counties, Moango. Structure Moango, even UDA don't match. And they know. This is the only party. Laila, his soul rest in peace, made sure build this thing from the foundation level to up. He did a good job. This is the strongest part. And let no one cheat you. I'm going to ODM. No. If you are not, yeah. Anyway, some people used to on that. Unfortunately, unfortunately this time I'm telling you, onge direct ticketing this time around. I don't think he will ever do that. He will give people opportunity to elect. I'm telling you. Let people be ready for real bedroom next year. Everybody, every MP, every women rep, every MCA, everybody will go to Wananchi, and Wananchi what I elect your ODM. Mantoka wundi. Wabro elect your ADM lelo. Election madeni. Some people think
you're in a pack of a coalition.
With
and you guys want to have a free zone where people can move. UDA can plant somebody.
They can, but UDA
are you supporting zoning or you're anti-zoning? Even what team zoning, so
no, ideally
ODM muketa genga ni karwaka kikudonje koso yao pa.
Ema wacho ni kato yao, katoko yao. Ngama be elected West Nyakach, Southeast Nyakach. Ibu bedo mnaja ODM. Because we know the muscle of this party. It will be forever.
ODM or Nyakach?
Nyakach maja ODM.
Cannot be from any other party?
I'm telling you, campaign, you will see that. So zoning or not zoning, this section of the world will still, ODM will be the majority party. There's no way any other party will be in the county assembly of Siaya or Mabei or Kisumu as a majority other than ODM. It is ODM. Look at what we have now. They are dependent not Posarachel Kobura. The rest of 34 of us are ODM. So, yeah. So that is it. And that's what will happen. Koro kikungado wundrenia ni zoning or not zoning ni koro kikmoko de chabla onge chabla. Jo ngeyo mapati ni
usa chakongik ni ODM.
Nango.
We chairman wacho meke koni, Junet wacho meke koni.
Maki nyaka timre because ngeyo.
Orengo bija ODM.
Sama yen maduong olwar kaka koro manyo atimore ni mako to nyaka timre. But things will take shape and you will see. Don't kata manyo election mokalo ni nyiche ji wacho ni wang ni to koro wagire ngade nywande ini neno gani. Ere ngade nywande kata Kisumu.
Sifuna Orengo Babu. Are they still part of ODM?
They should be, but see, it's their decision not to be. But I think also they are
as you are viewing
for their selfish interests. Me, for their selfish interests, what they are eyeing in Nairobi, Sifuna and Babu, for their selfish interests. Ngato dwaro kura ma Nairobi ko neno ni jokikuyu kanitie kanyo o the mrengo moro koro nyaka o police gi. But I'm telling you,
how is that selfish?
That is being selfish because ingeyo gin gi chama mane gin tiere ko they can still win in ODM. Babu can win his seat or governor Teriel Modwaro no on ODM. Sifuna can do the same on ODM. But they have been nikoro gineno nikoro gi police the other mrengo mondo koro gi changanya both ODM and this bedo maraji gi bedo raia.
What? How?
This bedo raia. Wait for elections.
What do you mean? Babu is with the people.
Obagni gi chama. You can be with the people, but if you are not with the chama, you are losing it. Babu has been very consistent on ODM.
In what nakasa nini ntijo moda nyaka gi independent.
It's very rare occurrence. For example, statistically, we had only 1 out of 35. So it is an impossibility, but in not Timore because of reason Mako not Timore Kuburan. But it is very rare.
ODM told us that Sifuna Tan is back for the party. Banka neja komose nindo kani ubeto jogo no bede bura mamalo. And they agreed ni because you buru ginga emako di bedo guy mar party.
Yes.
And I'm told Sifuna not tabled everything later or turn against that. I have no problem with that. Mano statement mano winjo and warwako. Orengo to not so kan.
He has made a decision to go the way more the be ke magujo se apodrito and can county assembly masiale ko asekelo motion because
of what?
Of impeachment of that governor of Siaya. Because you can't see what he's doing to this party.
Are you a democratic party?
I am, but you see, Orengo, Jomunge Orengo, take a Jomano Yere, Onge, Mabel, one of the pillars, Magodium and Orengo. But Kineno Ubedo absorbed Koro, Donjo Mirengo, our ideology as a massive force, Marodiem. Then something is wrong somewhere.
You people refuse to accommodate him.
Why? Where? Who showed him though? Okay, I'm a weekend. Kuro rigadi chanya konyore ngo. Kota na yo kodongo wa malo aginiga. Nyakonya ga. Onge. So I think he has lost it. Wewe kako the noise. Awaka na insia Josiah monge gimapotimo kode.
Somebody said gigole sana. Girit nyaka
I don't think it was able to I don't think. I can't county assembly members.
True, there's a story today.
Yeah, it's possible because I know how MCS behave and I've been an MCA for a while. So, they will have to. Kataka fail because they can fail. Maybe senators or okay.
They can try.
They can try and they will try. The county assembly members must say, I will try this.
You guys were having a lot of blows at county assembly in your tenure, the first tenure up to now.
Yes.
Yeah. What's the secret? County assembly of Kisumu. When was the speaker?
No. I don't.
Madobedo, the president.
No, I was not in that assembly.
Oh, you were in the other?
Yeah, Manu 2017. I was during Mama.
How about yours?
Huh?
Can you be ruled through it?
No, in the first assembly. Yeah, rather you know, Nyaka yer thuondi. Koki yero ngama thuone or the Buramano watching. ing'eyo sama resources ing'ado inyalo feel
King'ado the county.
yes ok dhi e ward ni inyalo chieng' moro honorable Chelo baba ong'ow honorable ong'ow gi pi kaneno kama so ong'ow mano bayo Chelo gi pi so it happens chaos goto jaka bedi kata mana National Assembly nineno ka bili babona olo pi kuom speaker sometimes legislation moro dwa kalo ma ifeel ni dhi nego jogi and you have only one voice so the massive number will have their way but in the voice ni get hard so that is normal in any democracy kada mana National Assemblies magoma oko yeah.
And then you are mag chama they are the ones mamiyo ODM muni korok bed motel nyechi winjo ka jotendu moko dhi Moroni and then ng'ato dhi to tero wadgi wuoth to koluongo the current MP mabendo onego beni magano text and no forward a text what no you do nade to no chalo nade
ing'eyo one gi space anyway to go anywhere but kata to call ni kidhi ward na to just inform me you are my colleague Ngisamani James I'll be in West Nyakach for a funeral at the church moro kama it's a courtesy okay na mass but it's a courtesy how we are brought up in the space map yeah kata ka pingi gayo assembly tabire ward ni I should not be seen to be partisan. You are my colleague. I will maber kuomi kata ka bako microphone. I should not be here to you. I cannot dini. So Manote Moroni is an isolated case, but I think the governor Mabe Ungisokoyono they, but we also felt he was sidelined, so he gave up his story the other side. So Mago Betimore Siasa.
Was it right for Koyo to say ni Mama ne Paronorie to Korea?
No, that was very unfortunate. One of the leaders of party and Nyawanga, the Mabei governor, that was very unfortunate statement. But I think as a natural human being, Manu is normal. So I think
not normal.
Yeah, no one.
See,
OPM go adigi governor, and that is natural for him.
Let me ask you. Kainge watch do you come to Color TV and shout to her on Color TV?
No.
So we were thinking,
I thought
as a party,
yes.
Unyalo bedo, apparently we went to Makoyo, nigga number one.
In fact,
Onega Goshi,
yeah, madam.
Yeah.
That would be very.
Wanga would have had a good explanation.
Yeah. MP, I said, they will sort it out.
You see the matter, what was worse, he even didn't go to the mainstream media, social media.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's
but kata siye kwedi gwengato. You just inform me, remember we see itinerary to synchronize. That is how all MPs do. I think I hope all the governors, women, MCS, we do that.
Was it wrong for Wanga to work with the brother Nekanyichin?
No, it's not bad because much brother ne. The other way you can negate mano. Exactly. And there is also the party chairman. He is also invited to a function which she has to go because mano be korigi. So it's so natural. So onge manera kanyo.
Who is your MP 2027 Nyakach?
MP is one kumangeng. So far sama ni to whoever is ahead and Kotopande is very much. He's my brother. I didn't support him in the last election because of reasons. I was supporting Adumu War, and I think we started in 2013 and there was a bond.
With Aduma?
Kabisa, there was a very close bond. 2022 elections, I had to oppose him very viciously, and in my ward, he lost.
You opposed who?
Honorable Pande in that election. But I think for now, I don't want to oppose him. He's going for that. He's my brother. If he gets that, I don't have any problem with that. But so far he's ahead of every other candidate now as we speak.
People say
everyone inyamaki kata inyamaka. So what is the problem with that? That is normal. Kata insani inyalutiko kata hivi maki yoga. It's natural law, so there's nothing wrong with that. It doesn't mean you are a criminal.
So you mean Nima no kick Tigo to pay?
No, whoever is using people should just judge him for what he's doing. And electing a person and in a team, me paronico bedo member of parliament to the team. That is the only judgment. And me, I judge people from what they do.
Manaka na pinji nito Ruto Chakubeno Berkanam.
Yes, and I said from what he's doing, that is it. That's enough for me. It doesn't have to be money.
So you mean Mheshimiwa Pande may not be the perfect guy, but Onyalo Tiyo.
He has proved to be very consistent among all the aspirants in Nyakach. He has been very consistent.
With Nyakach people?
Yes, from the time he lost election to date, he's been very consistent. Going back to the people. Yes, which is normal in Siasa. When I lost election in 2017, I was with the people every now and then. Yes, until 2022. I said, the only thing Mawanyalo negate, especially in Nyakach, is violence. Let us give one way. And I told you, and my man are the same word. My so yeah, to a chopo manakane. So politics Nyakach should be the most smooth one because one I'm telling you, Kidisango, all those to get their pargiwi Nisango. Maja Jimo, Maja Wasari, Maja Kasai, Maja. It is, and that is it. So give no more at that next row, no more the other one. So so it should be the most peaceful election. Managimanya pray for Nyakach or team very, very smooth.
It had been bloody sometimes back.
No, chaotic. Yeah, rivalry. No, man, no. It has been chaotic.
I've been here, I've been covering Nyakach.
Where did
the other day you guys were crying, you Moko walk Wasi biro.
Yeah, Major Jokbano are foreigners, not in Central Ward, in Nagia, Ginegi Biro. I can't get Manonegi was Ginemagineco. They came all the way. They came all the way from Awasi. From Awasi Jiko Ward. They were not even from Nyakach. To Nyakach.
Did they marry Yeromaro DM? Also something happened.
Yeromaro DM?
Manite Nyakach. Somebody was beaten like Aburkenga there.
Beaten? Beating is normal.
I know.
But again, Barpala never get it back. Get one yearly Betty.
But you remember your Mokono walk Awasi.
Yes, but Banda. Then Gagibiro to Betty. Kata Pala. Mano. In fact, it is chaotic in Moro.
Sorry to mention this because I didn't ask permission from him. One of my friends lost a brother, who was also a good friend of Opandi, who was also one of his aide.
Yeah, I remember that case.
Yes.
North Nyakach. Yes. And it is the same incident. Marjo Manoa Wasi. To Central Nyakach, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it is the same incident.
So you say.
So isolated incidents of Matalkamago is very possible.
Okay.
And as Jonyakach, Waluru Churemo. Jolanga Mini Chuaga. One Pukochuka Jalangadi. But because one Kakmaneka culture was child. So you didn't move from Betogene is just too natural for yes. To one? No. That one has never been there.
So the big reason, Mommy, you would give Opande your vote and catch off.
He's been consistent. And I think it means well for the people.
And that their projects,
yes, exactly. This guy is giving us bursary per ward massively number.
But he's not a leader right now. He's not elected.
Yes, not elected yet, but he's doing all this from his pocket. So a leader you can check from what he's doing to the electorates before election. After election, they get that power. But before, I told you because Nachako Timo Gikmoko 208. I get a school 208, I get a school, absolute school fee, I get uniform, I get mattress, then they show this guy, if we give him another power, he can go get more to us. Okay. So the same thing is what he's doing, which is very good. Away about what is going on in my ward.
Exactly.
Yes. Najo West Nyakach, aparoni wasetemo, ntire gikmano dong news. Now at the dollar 2017. One of them then Nyadina Hospital. Now where Kanye Foundation. Sanya Zitieke Magero Nyaka Cho. For what to do Manani Gavana Diawe.
Yes.
And the same to can watch and now Kapoko Chakore, but my predecessor not Chake. It was an idea because we said in all the 8
can watch Nibi Hospital.
Yeah. And be Korwatieke. And I would put in a wall, I go tado, market ceiling board, market to tiles, martimo, everything, market show, permanent. Now it is ready for. In fact, the 2 hospitals have been gazetted by the county government of Kisumu, so they should just open them. I'm back on the second last, which is Apondo Kasai. We have appropriated money this year, and we are going to appropriate more the next financial year. On what a 6 million project, was a 2.5, I think 4.5, 3.5 gig 6. Then was a yaunderni. Tienderni manche setimo 2013 to ne opo bedo maintain. I'm maintaining almost all of them right now. To maduong' mogik matimo sani en wach pi. Ing'e maber natimo pi maler natimo sango in my first tenure. Sani koro na expand mana masango no. But nitiere a new one in Sondu Miriu. Ing'e just as one Sondu Miriu power project kacha. Jo Kenya no yienwa ni ginyalo gonwa pi gi energy ma giproduce kacha ewi got. Koro agero tange maduong' mar 200 cubic meters ewi got Andeng'o. Ma strategic ni koro kasegere kamano sani gi floka funding wamiye pesa moromo mwatanda timo go distribution. Koro jo Kenya ndhi gonwa pi nyaka ewi got kuro, then wada distribute to all our almost 15 schools down here. Thudi Buoro, Aomo, Mbora, Mbugurara, Chier, Apondo Kasai, kamano nyaka ichopo Okobongo, Okano Wachi, nyaka Banda gini. Mondo, all our schools should be connected because this was the vision. All our schools bedo connected, then that is it. Mondo, kama ngato high school moro, inyadi omupi those school. That is it. So that's what we are achieving. And then opanga be wanegi project machielo. Mar right bank, more wagi Southwest. Mabe koro sani wa mio million aberio. My project should start no chake chon to no collapse in 2023 budget, but sani wachako duoke supplementary menyoroni ne waduoke gi million abiro mane en gono mondo koro wa implement mondo jo Andeng'o te gini Kenya no timo ne this infrastructure, but we needed to do it again. We made another tank mondo koro wa serve the entire Andeng'o mamalo, and it is on now. So plus other things mwatimo, then I've lobbied for Nyakwere market. On this affordable. That's why I support.
What's wrong with Nyakwere?
Nyakwere ngini jo Karachonyo mawanyaka the name Nyakwere, if you know. Milongo Nyakwere no is not.
Nyakwere is in Homa Bay.
No. Gazetted market milongo ni Nyakwere and Makone. The only thing which happened historically, it died a natural death. Then the other one, Miriu market, took off. When Miriu market, which is the other side, took off.
Bridge Makalogan.
Yes.
When I'm getting to Homa Bay.
Yes. Kocha and Miriu market, Koni, in two markets, Koni and Nyakwere market. So it died a natural death. So what we have done, we've lobbied with the national government. They are going to do ESP market this side. Milungu ni Nyakwere market. Kinye program mara ban development mar ESP markets. One of them is Nyakwere. Once we build Nyakwere, it's a 70 million project. It's a huge one. We will have to agree with the Miriu. Let them have their day. Ingene just as jima yuko ngeyo ni jok madhi Nyakwere miwacho ni Nyakwere mok Nyakwere
Nje Nyakach.
Gin jo Nyakach 90%. Jo apuko malor kacha gi jo Kobala mabiro kanyo gi jo Sodo mabiro kanyo are minority. We are the majority. Makolor bridge kawuono to there is no market day the other side. That is the truth. So I've made it. We have to lobby, and we have lobbied, and at advanced stage advert biro biro chiemo gar Nyakwere. Ok ni wa kill the other one. We have to agree. As we move to Karachonyo for market day, let us have Jo Karachonyo Biro on our day. And it's not negotiable. We will have to sit down, Governor Makocha, Governor Makoni will have to sit down. Create a different market days for the two. Nyakwere on its day, and the other one. It is very, you know, my Wanyakanyi. You don't know in Jaffa, but you remember Nyakwere in command. In fact, Katamana Governor into launch Katulang, Olungo Nyakwere, in their budget, Iliko Nyakwere, Katulango. The other side. That is wrong. It is Miriu Cattle market, the other side. It is not Nyakwere. And I think the MCA, one king, Manoto, Nyakwere, but Miriu. Even the one Manogan UN, Ilungo Nyakwere, no more Germaduong, Moger gave a batino. In the records, the records, UN Mano sponsor a World Bank project. But that is wrong. Nyakwere is everything Nyakach.
Okay.
And we have to redeem it.
Fine.
That one in my tenure, we have to.
This one was really in your heart. That was a bit. Gauchen, Banks, Rio. What do you take it to? Who's your governor?
Governor.
Sing something.
I'm in what man?
No, you're shying away.
I'm in here. And until last weekend, I think the other weekend, when we were with Baduma in Mwalo, I meant well for him.
For who?
To Aduma, Mondobele Governor. I meant well everything. But I think it's being mismanaged by his cronies, my lord. I'm not for him. Or you look at the previous day, Mangiso Giovanni Bwana. Could this Sanguro primary muneno gimadomo gero. By the way, he has done a very wonderful. Sanguro Emasome, Niche Nitino near Debe. By last year, 2024.
Okay.
Adomo kao million Audio gero. Very nice classrooms a day. Class Aberio, Aboro Gochiko. Then, Anago Arambe. More raised 2.7. More gero classes of Chico. Maniskuno. Chalagaka. Mangiso Jorala only bana Gimotim Sangorocha Kende should tell you who is the right governor. Angiso. Then Kinyine. Mjumbe now biru mwalo. Wacho kakanangate and embarasa embeleji. You know, I'm andano. So I said, then Jomujumbe Karaoknis Mjumbe, what is happening? Nyoro kana watch ni in fundraiser, Madalawa. We have to take direction on this one. So that one is upon him. How he manages me, because what he has been consistent doing.
That made you to dislike Aduma. You don't.
I felt so betrayed. And again, he said,
today you don't support him.
Not really. Neoka supported. And all my life, everybody knows. Even Joma Duaro Governor Gite. When I meet around, he's saying Aduma Biane Buteka. When I meet Senator, Chimoro, the one called yes, man, one called Dubai. Only Sunny Bana eating any
which Dubai complex.
No, we were with him. We met in Dubai. Only Sunny eating any other Duma. No, everyone had branded myself.
I know a politician would just maybe sometimes have such jokes. The Morogi joke.
But you see, so it is so bad. Again, focus Marma Jumbena should be watch gubernatorial. But it seems to be focused on who is becoming MCA, who is becoming MP, and that is very wrong.
Has he planted somebody for you?
Yes, and rooting over the Belena Tameno. That's it. And that is very unfortunate. You see, when he's told they go and do this to impress him, but I mean well for him. Kidwaro politician, I think in your show, one of my mentors I look upon in my interview, one of the key people I look upon in my politics is Nadumo. I like the way he's doing it. Can do mean any watch Siasa for wealth, King or can for wealth. But Gimotimono. They eliated Timogini or mean it. And I've studied him for all these years. And he would make the best governor. That one is the truth. He would make the best governor. But he's missing the point. But I feel he is being mismanaged. Those whoever is mismanaged, because he's fighting God, he's fighting Lumumba, he's fighting in the North Nyakach, he's fighting me. Namoko fight Kende and just Central Nyakach.
Who is that?
The MCA Central.
Okay.
Of Vincent.
I know Vincent.
Among the elected. But you see, and Katasi, you know, we have been elected. Katako Kidwaranga. And now can not do Masamani year 2013. I was with Daima, though I never looked for him.
Yes.
But someone me what ticket Gaduma. Emana come Ebenokia. Till then, Ekanabedongat, don't Madiri. In that assembly, the first, I was the key MC Manonya depend on. He would call me, I would advise, Tema.
Now that your blood is becoming sour with the Duma, who is your next governor?
It's not sour. Ultimately, Gimoka Bitemo and to disrespect him. Okay. Let him disrespect me as he wants, because he's been told to do so, because of those interests. But it's okay. Angeyo, ne am adego siasa na mbeleka, agurotemo what I want. But I will not disrespect him. That one I cannot do, because we have come a long way. But let him do his part. Or disrespect, or embarrass, or tema gigego. Sadakasi go room. We are expected, so I'm okay with that. Yeah.
If election would be called today, in ready?
Very ready.
Ofuki?
Very ready. I'm very ready. I said the elections are out here. So I am Yatanegin. And it takes to be MCA, so I will be there. And I'm running for the same seat, MCA. And I don't think anybody will win against me. That one I'm sure.
Along your Nyakach pod pecking.
Nyakach, I had prepared myself to do this section of Nyakach, achieve, which I have not yet done much. I want to succeed in doing that. After that, I think I will retire from politics. It's not about politics. In any one, I was not a politician.
Okay.
I became a politician when I saw the devolution is coming and we can get some things for our people. And that is what has driven me all these years. And it will still drive me to run for the next election. And that is it. And I will be the front runner for this.
Lastly, what you go? Kijo maparo ni ujo Nyakach ungenya yenye ngwaji gavana.
Yeah.
Samoro be you don't know the direction of cow. Everybody's running their race. Aduma is here.
Yeah.
Chenda is
there.
Yeah,
and Willy.
We have a Willy is there.
Gima joko kongeyo ni Nyakach one gi structure jok mawacho kamano.
Okay.
Gikiani one gi structure ma very deep and very deep founded in terms of our jodongo. We have the deepest one and a very organized system governing mara jodongo. So at one point, let me not cheat you, unless you would rebel. If they decide na do mama gibro back, koda ngama chelo do gibro ngia. Nyakach will vote a governor achiel from Sondu to Sango to
it means you are coming up with one governor. That's what you're trying to mean.
Whether they agree or not, I'm telling you, voting pattern Nyakach, they are one basket. That one I'm not cheating you. You will see. Koda kithi giwinjore man to depend on them. Yen ginya winjore ni koro wagol ngata achiel, gin ke gin or jodongwa keto gi down to giso gini. Whether they agree or disagree, pod candidate they better achiel in terms of voting pattern. I'm telling you. They better so natural ni koro when Adoma or Willy or Senator. It will. At the end of the day, that is what will happen in Nyakach. Okay. We know how they vote. So they will vote a governor. Mang marigi.
But time will tell.
Togi di bidding ma onge kura ma kirao. That one I'm sorry to say. All the bid Nyakach, gocho ne Nyakach for governor. Talk ni kuro moko gocho ne ngane mojo. All the bid chain, and you will see that.
Do you think that person from Nyakach bro ka komar governor? Kichwane no karo sabuibe utegno malokocha ubedo backed here a faction of women leaders.
Sincerely speaking, this election, more than 2027, governor should go to Nyakach. That one, without a doubt.
Why?
You know, and again, you cannot say to you,
But there's no law guiding that.
There is no law. It's a natural law. Society.
Natural thinking.
It's just a natural way. So, sadly, every feeling should be directed towards Nyakach, and we will fight for that. Gigi cow. So as Nyakach, we will say Boruka Kwadwaro, Mondo Governor of the Nyakach, and we will do it.
Lastly, your brother or your cousin the other day, Nemanyokomar Jakomar ODM Kisumu County.
Yeah, Honorable Pande.
With your friend Adui.
Yeah.
In your sincere conscience, Ngama was standing better position to be the chair.
Any of them. I think they stand a chance. Any of them would be just good enough. And I saw them yesterday, but one with the governor, both of them were there.
The other meeting, yes.
So I think any of them is okay. You know, Gimao Kidionge, watch Bedo party hierarchy.
Leaders.
You know, as much as people feel it affects the elections, I'm one of the people who have never seen it as that. Or they manipulate whatever, because I saw yes, yeah, but I don't think it does much.
It's not that easy.
It's not that easy. In any, I don't know. Your opinion are very. Take for example, on Baduma. He has run three elections. Let me tell you, Chairman Nyakach, he has never bothered to be who is there. He has never bothered that election. I've been with him. I've seen. But he has won 3 consecutive elections without even minding. Imagine chairman, to chairman and MP man sitting. Ucheng Daima was the chairman, was controlling the party, and he became the MP. The next one, Otemo Nimondo Ngate Odonji.
Who's that Ucheng?
No, Badoma then.
Yes.
Kurumano election 2017, Otemo Mondo Ngate Odonji. He didn't care who goes. Mangok ngate obet, and he didn't bother. And he told me, James, you know, the party party ka, the Kikoro in the chairman, Nico the Bedo MP. I don't know how to go to I paint to Mujumbe, I take charge, and I take charge of Barango. Let Joja catch a year and now you chairman. They said, no, and I believe that. So it has happened in Nyakach, I've seen. Yeah, with election mar MP 3 times.
Lastly, party leader Migosi Buro Ginga manoneno ni gi cancel yiero mar ODM ma Kisumu nero. Kichamijo ni no dhibedo bloody, chaotic and nokobera ahinya. What do you think?
You know, party leader to kose wuoyo to jite nyaka ngeni wuon pong kogo kor pong to jite freeze. That was wisdom. Koro kaka nodhino, I think that was okay until such a date magilungo election. And I think samagitimo mabe weyo thuolo mar mbaka magore. And you saw the meeting the other day. There will be another one. There will be another one. So ideally, what should have happened in these elections, county level or even sub-county, and consensus. Nyakach mka uruma, Kisumu East, Kisumu West, Central. And then give people a mesa kama. It should not be chaotic ni the area or the ballot. It should be gentleman agreement because there is nothing much in that. Ma ji jalo gore ne ji team campaign no. So I'm fine with Gimathi Mbele Sani, and I think the party leader is in charge. And also what you need, you return Martin. But as we need build consensus as they move, the final list, everyone is accommodated. You Nyakach, you do Lemogi, your Central, you do Nepogi, Kamadu East, Kamano. That is it. So it should be gentleman agreement. Party ni wire whatever. Give me your remagilaro. Samagilaro, Nyaka Winjereni, Namaka Mwanegema.
Thank you very much, James, for your time. Kawuono to okonya tieke ko kami thuolo mar yuago jalbura maseme Dr. James Nikal owito wuon mare mano jaduong' okaka. Koro kwatieko kiwachni mogik inyalo kawo thuolo mondo mi ior oteni ne jo Kodongo kod jo Korgi Nikal.
Erokamano mokwongo ago mos ne Honorable Nikal. Ing'eni Nikal en the senior most in terms of bedo e dual chair mar joluo manie National Assembly. En mos makende ne joseme kuom wito jaduong' no. Kendo en gima nje wang'eyo kaka assembly members. I think some of us have gone. Kaka Honorable Sami nosedhi ywak gi jogo gi joseme go bosedhi to watimo mos kuom motimore no. Mogik en mana go erokamano ne jo West Nyakach for giving me a second chance, and I think this time I've tried gimanyalo mondo watim mane odong 2017 mane focus na ni vision mane ano 2017 no. I had a chance now to accomplish almost everything that I wanted to do, and apparently gik manodongo ng'enygi I think to 90% we are achieving them. Mondo koro wachak conversation machielo mar 2027, and I'm in the race 2027 mondo I resume as a member of County Assembly in the third time, and I hope ni jo West Nyakach biro nena gi wang' maber mondo watim modong kaka jo West Nyakach. Mano kende appeal man go kodgi en mos ne jo manche pio chapo to mana kaka wacho national government nigi program maber mar goyo dike both sides kara chojo gi korwa koni. Once part of tip to aparo ni onge kama chak dar nyaka chieng'. Mane a very key thing manyaka wa make sure ni otimore kaka leaders wa lobby kabisa ge the national government mondo tim mano. Mana kaka tim Budalangi mondo koro wabed ni koro josango kdar gi jo Nyakwere. Apani mago kotimore. Then programs madhi mbele wan gi Sango Buru Road mabe sani contractor owinjo beni chako. Wan gi yo madhi wuotho gi koa Lwasi mano dhi mbele. Wan gi yo ma Mbugora kadhi nyaka Uthwabao all the way to Aomo is ongoing. Wan gi yo ma Membe Mbili kochiko nyaka Wadhilango en osetieke. Odong' mana culverting magitimo sani, and several other roads ma aparo ni mage gik mane uora mondo atim mondo kochopo to biro timore. Katieko en ni osiptende wariyo ma are now complete. Nyadina Hospital asetieko kendo osebedo gazetted kaka hospital, kendo wageno ni governor anytime oyudo thuolo obiro biro sango mondo yawa yanga Nyadina Hospital. Machielo en Okano Wach Hospital mabe koro wasetieko ma choe bancho dong sani no waketo pesa cho kendo koro treat mosa gazete kendo gin koro gin active ni gin gazetted by the national government kaka health facilities. Warito mondo governor mondo bi o ng'ad gicha mondo wachak thiedho ji mondo gikel health professionals manyalo konyowa. No asetieko Kodinge mancha chako go kana yudo ka pok orumo watimo maternity kendo wadhi mbele. Sani Apondo Kasaye is on mondo wagero hospital kanyo nikech jodala waparo ni watch osiptende gi nenie my heart in 2013 kadonjo ni every sub location should have its own, and I think we have so far we have gone very well. mondo wa make sure ni watimo gite. Erokamano.
Erokamano ne James kuom ne winjo duol kendo bedo thuolo mondo bi twak kod oganda ni kendo oganda jokanyanam kendo wapuonjre achiel ariyo adek adek osekalo kanya 12 bang' sa 3 kogwen maket kod mind in mabende ne yudo thuolo kendo iluwo wechegi achiel kachiel nyaka nwachaki sa 11 kogwen ma kawuono nyaka sani wagoni ni erokamano. Kinyo bende ogeno bedo kod jakom madun busiesa mar jagoro madun busiesa mar ODM e Kisumu County mabende jal molap dhoge ndong ne kom kar chung' od bura ma Nyakach migosi Jonathan Okoth pande wuon kinyo bi oler wechene kata bedo ne omin mare otemo ka rite malichie mokalo kinyo bi omak wirwath kendo wuon opim achiel ariyo adek kapok kiny gibedo kod bura machielo gomoneri maduong' ma Kisumu. Watime kendo odiochieng' ma kiny ka Nyasaye oriti to rita iluonga ni Jasadoyo awuot seme mato Kala TV kendo wacho ni machiegni pacho maya odwa.